I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. She turns off the alarm. She turns off the alarm. They go for a morning walk together. They go for a morning walk together. You should drink a glass of water in the morning. You should drink a glass of water in the morning. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. She take a shower before work. She take a shower before work. She gets ready for school quickly. She gets ready for school quickly. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. She packed her bag for office. She packed her bag for office. You need to wear clean clothes. You need to wear clean clothes. I check my phone after waking up. I check my phone after waking up. She opened the curtains. She opened the curtains. They leave the house at 8 a.m. They leave the house at 8 a.m. You lock the door before going. You lock the door before going. I go to the office by bus. I go to the office by bus. He drives to work every day. He drives to work every day. She works in a school. She works in a school. They eat lunch at 1 p.m. They eat lunch at 1 p.m. He returns home tired. He returns home tired. She relaxes on the sofa. She relaxes on the sofa. We watch TV together at night. We watch TV together at night. They have dinner at 8 p.m. They have dinner at 8 p.m.